Ebusa ya so ama wache we at time with Minerals Commission. Yeah, the bro Adom 106.3 FM and Adom TV. So say dwumadi ene Minerals Commission etrase na yehu ete wamu adwuma wamu edi ase ankasa. Anapai the CEO of Minerals Commission, Ura Martin Kweku Eyisi, is my guest. Baby anano yede nkomo no esi on entity training na omodema adwuma for no anapai so mensaka CEO ewa hanoma meneno betwa enkomo no eso. Ura isi Mwakwaba.
CJ, I want to say.
Nyame Adom. Mahoya papa. Say adwuma mboko nso dey.
It's all right.
Yede nyame ase.
Wow, and I'm saying this because you see, obiti ekrasi, un say na mo interpret English no wo mu, ti say thousands and billions or PPP. E because obi akodisika or PPP and all those inti. Some one no say o BBB call for ban on galamsey. Then you explain it in tree or airway or gun into Otini villager. Oh, okay. So galamsey idea me and how say and I got your government in Bania now. Well, you see, so the explanation is all that we sought to clarify and also explain to everybody what government is doing. So, when the thing came, so stop everything. Okay? Takwa for money on your in fact, Omani Ubesha Pand Bako. Takwa man says that I'll spend millions to sink shafts to go underground. I am not responsible for what is creating the annoyance or the anger. At the opposite Gumejuma. Why do you want to destroy my job? But as I said, we've gone beyond that now. Because when organized labor came out, they said, oh, they were satisfied with what? Some of the proposals of government, one or two things. We have to take our time and explain. And I don't think people should struggle and understand, say, you cannot punish A, B, C, D, for something that A to Z, okay. Everybody is doing.
Okay, Mr. Isi,
I don't know whether you make. I'm making.
Yes. I think. I think, sir. Now Ghanaians have come to appreciate Ejuma Moye by way of capacity. I mean, what public education, fantastic. But
never in the history of Minerals Commission have we taken to the media space to explain, and you can see I lead that.
Okay, yeah. But what are some of the challenges? Because you see, I want to see Ababidri, the fight against Galamsey. You've talked about all the other issues relating to Nema Air Koso, but what, in your estimation, then what do you know? A quiet challenger, a fight against illegal mining, Mr. Isi.
The main challenge, baby, I be paid you my. That's a fundamental issue. CJ, the more people work, the more crime comes down. Do you think that if your sister or your brother who has finished university has a job to do, will you be sending Momo again? In other words, what am I trying to say? Unless you decide to say, oh, yeah, small scale mining in Ghana bioma, which is not the case, which is not possible, we will need to get a place for them to work. Because that's the only way you stop the haphazard digging and digging everywhere. How do you address? So you see, fight, reformative and enforcement. Wow. Reformative and enforcement. Enforcement mechanism is that you are not going to wait for you to get place for the miners to work before you go and move people from water body. So just go out there and enforce the law. Get rid of them. Your daughter cannot wait for you to get a job before we go to school. You understand? I'm not saying go and steal. So we have the enforcement mechanisms going on. And we have ramped up those things. Government here. You understand that? Then the reforms. Reforms, how do you discourage the use of mercury? Bring in this gold catcher. We are heavily subsidizing it for them. Now aging born in parliament. What? So government says I'm going to do it. And then build now open on that particular demand. You tell me. You tell me. And then build.
They see you been here that assurance.
Minerals Commission. Yeah, but the rules are now government says they're going to do geological investigation. Actually, we have started. Bonfa block, Dunka block. I heard it clearly, Vice President. That did not meet hot. that day, minimum said if I have to cry or something because Charlie, we've been waiting for this thing for decades. He said it clearly. He said, Oba, $10 million, CD equivalent every year. It's the best geological investigation. I've been hearing critics saying, oh, start now. But government has released some money. Yeah, can say you must go and find out from Professor Mankwa. Yeah, more musika, year investigation, amaye. If you shame, oh, some area. Geological survey, almost year be amaye. But we got to be more aggressive and radical because of the sheer numbers. And my suggestion is that let's also bring in private people. Make our parliament. Ghanaians who have registered with Minerals Commission to provide mineral exploration service. Yeah, almost on the blocks to investigate. That is it.
All right.
It will take time, but at least gradually you win off people.
On that note, Nampese, you're doing Komono AC, that assurance that something is being done. That capacity. In fact, and today, Martin Sembibria, I mean, it's news to me because
public institution, men, there were 38 people outside learning. Medical doctor, Benya pass, you more call 7 years, like I say, or Harvard Medical School and now Oxford, now call specialist program. Will you get that kind of thing?
You see, Madonna for that assurance that with you at the helm of affairs,
I don't need to be. I don't need to be at the helm. At least I've been at the head of affairs for 3.5 years. But Miniha in Kofa Yatinium will continue. They will keep the flag, the candle burning. My music we see part 10 Massa. I was fortunate when I joined Minerals Commission to get a scholarship to go to UK to go and study mining law. I was fortunate to get scholarship to go and study again in Canada. Misia Tuasu was Australia. But my being, at least there's something here. So having started this work and having been exposed to all this international training exposure, can an inspector or technical officer of Minerals Commission ask for more? I never saw it in my life here. Investment.
All right. Enti ayabotre and Mr.
I went through that.
Enti yafa komono ensi ha time with Minerals Commission. Yene Minerals Commission CEO Ura Martin Kweku AEC and this ankomo ye dia bro. And waboa abie niam bebre so nti yate adwuma pote ne kwan a omo so omo fa so aboa ma illegal mining yetimi attack na yetu ase. Mene won so ye wo chefa ya ebetimi aye e de aboa Minerals Commission na o maboa na yetimi abo yensu ane ekwaye ehunban. Time with Minerals Commission ye de abeso medin e the Chief Jerry Forson e besen share.